AWS Key Pairs. Wait 2 minutes. Wait 5 minutes. Okay. Today we will discuss about key pairs of the AWS. Okay. Now I am opening uh, AWS console. Every institution instance have the key pairs, different key pairs, different different key pairs. If you want, if you want use same pairs, if you want to do it, same key pairs. If you want to use same key pairs, if you want to use, you want to create single page, but using to instances. Okay, users. But when we have deleted the key page, okay, okay, we have deleted the key page, we have at the time, at that time, we don't have, we know at the time, we have any log in the servers. Okay, we are logging the servers using SSH keys. You have the church SSH private keys dot ppk. Okay, AWS will be maintained by dot pub keys. Both keys must understood be matched. Both keys must and should be matched. Okay, suppose we have 100 EC2 instances. Suppose we have instances. All EC2 instances have same keys. We are using same key. We are using. Unfortunately, we have deleted. We have deleted. Haven't logged in anymore. We have generated new key that will not match. That will not match. That will not match. So by default Windows have user administrator, but AWS Linux have user EC2 hyphen user. Okay, like that it will be there. EC2 instance. Okay, it will be there like that EC2 user. Okay, suppose I have 100 EC2 instances. See, this is one, 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 this is one instances. One instances. This is DevOps, Start. Well, one team. Well, we had decision of project AL1 teams. Only 5 teams are available. In 5 teams, no know how to log in. We have this. We need to give one key. You cannot give multiple times. Okay. Suppose no, we haven't given use single key to all, or or password cannot disclosure to all. Disclosure to all. So we need to copy this key to multiple places. Yet this time by mistakenly deleted the key. All teams asking password or key. Difficult to log in. Difficult to log in instances. At this time, we have confusion. At this time, we have confusion. At this time, confusion. So, AWS invented by to overcome this, AWS invented by directory services. That is nothing but Active Directory. Without keys, you can log in. You can log in, but AWS directory services have not free. You can charge. AWS will be charged based on the usage. Based on the usage. Okay, like this. Okay, I will copy paste in the notepad. invented by directory services, that is Active Directory. But AWS Directory is have not free services is not free. Is not free. AWS will be charged based on the usage. Okay, I will show you sample in Windows. Okay, see this one. Go to go virtual machine. I will install later. Windows 2019. Browse. Yep. Windows 2019. I am selecting the folder. Yes. 2 GB is enough. Okay, single file like this. I will show you console. AWS console, how to create EC2 instance with the key pair, and we can generate the key pair. See, Windows, okay. In in AWS EC2 instances, it's generating key dot temp. You can convert it dot temp to dot ppk by using key generator. By using key generator. Okay, I will show you. I log in this. I am creating one EC2 instance. Okay. I am logging. I am opening a mission. I will show you in Windows. Okay, how to create a directory structure in AWS. EC2 instance launch. I am using Red Hat and whatever it is. I can use AWS Linux machine instance type and key pair. Here no key pairs are there. I am generating a key pair. See dot ppm. EC2 is the key pair name, that is the tag name, and generated the key pair dot pem. It will generate. It will use multiple key pairs. It will use single instances. It will use multiple instances in the same. Okay. Again, HTTPLO, HTTPS, then allows. Okay. I can click launch the EC2 instances. Okay. By using this. So I am using Puttigen. Puttigen. I am loading key download. Where is download? The download folder. There is AWS. See, AWS PEM. Okay. This will generate a passport. Okay. and save as a private key. EC2.ppk. Or we can use here EC2.ppk. EC2.ppk. Okay. If you will save public key, public. Okay. Like that, we can load and we can converted public key into PPK, and we can do multiple. We can attach multiple instances in public key in the same private key. Okay, no issues in this. Yes, you can press how to create directory structure in Windows and AWS. By default, have I will load image. I forgot to load image. Resource okay, image, unusual image, networking. We start as a guest. Now this time it will be load. It will come. Check in this. We can use putty. I am logging AWS instances by using public IP address. Check. Instance public IP address. Okay, and we can use SSH keys, authentication and credentials. We can use AWS. Okay, EC2 open. You can access by default EC2 by default. It will connect. It will connect here EC2 user. See, okay, EC2 hyphen user. Okay, it will be like this. I will open. It will asking for. It will asking for passphrase. It will asking for passphrase. I am logging with the passphrase. Passkey. Now it's okay. Okay. Suppose if you forgot this key, you cannot log into EC2 instances. Okay. Uptime. You can verify. Okay. You name hyphen I. You name Linux machine like that. Okay. Like that can use how to create a directory structure and how to use. You can verify. Without the key, you can log in the EC2 instances. Okay, wait, I will show you directory structure. By default, Windows have administrator, but Linux have EC2 user. We already shown EC2 user. Right? See, this is EC2 user by default, but Windows have administrator. I will show you CMD. Windows user have administrator permissions. It will boot. Parallel, I will show you here. It will be late. In we have two directory, we can create domain and attach all users in the domain. Okay, we will see in this practically. You are loading. It will come. When you will control all to delete, set by default administrator permissions. Okay. Set by default administrator. See, by default administrator, but EC2 instances have EC2 but AWS have EC2 user, but Windows have administrator. Okay, you can see this loading. I will show you how to create the domains in directory structure. I will show you how to create this same like this. I will show you directory structure and all the things in. Okay. See, now I am installing Active Windows AD Active Directory. We can select evaluation or whatever it is 2019. Now I am using. It is in AWS have directory structure, but Windows have Active Directory installations. This yesterday we have delivered one lecture that is yeah, Active Directory creation and all the things. But we missed this. In this we can deliver this content in Active Directory installations and all the things without using any key pairs. But we are using key pairs, right? Like that, we cannot use any key pairs and asking for a private key, public key plus private key, AWS public key plus private key, both will match. Okay, you can save public key is equal to .pub. Private key extension is equal to .ppk. .ppk extensions extensions. Okay, can use. Say it will loading 48%. Uh, somebody. Okay. Any doubts? Ask me in the live chat. Like this, Windows have like this, but AWS have directory services. It is not free, so that way I will show in Windows. It is $100. It will be charged $100. So that way I will show in a data structure in Windows 2019 and 2022 is the latest. 2019 and 22 both interfaces are same. Okay. In Windows, I will show only user interface is different. So see here I have Windows AD Explorer. I will connect here Windows 2008. Not administrator. We can use password to connect AD Explorer. Okay, this Windows 2019. I am showing somebody asking some interviews asking what is the difference between 2008 versus 2019 versus 2022. Somebody asking there is user interface and the security features enhancement is updated. You will be say like that. Okay, all users. See, all users within that. All users within that with here. It will be bidirectional. It will be bidirectional. Okay, like that. In this create domain and add user to the domain. That's it. That's it. I will show you in real time scenarios. I am standard error mode, right? That way it will show here. The Windows it will be like this. This is standard mode. I will use GUI mode. GUI mode is different. GUI mode is different. I will show you GUI mode like this. I will exit this. Next Windows and here there is one folder is there. Uh, EF drive. EF drive. Windows 19. Okay. In this Windows 19, I will show you GA mode, that is standard mode. Okay. I will show you standard mode. I will forgot to load image. So I will load image. I will restart. I will power off and power on. It will load it all. See, it will connected, right? See, users. I will create a domain under this user. See, this is the domain name and we have use users. How to create domain in this Windows 2008? Click or click here Windows or DC Pro. Use DC Pro Windows. See, this global. After directory lost domain server following already Ganesh.com is there. You can create another domain. Already a domain is there. You can okay, like that it will be shows. Delete all directory partitions and active directory services. That is the thing. Already domain is there. Why you can only one domain per one that okay? Like that it will be shows. In standard mode, we can use commands earlier, but in this, it is not without a standard mode. With a data center, you cannot use. You can use GA mode like this. Okay, open, open service manager, and here rules are there. The rules. This is AD directory active services. In the active services, we have one domain is there. In the domain, we can create the users. The domain in the domain users, click the users. You can add the users like this. New POT developer. This is the domain name developer at the rate .com, developer at the rate and the tester at the rate like this. This way to log in. Password cannot be changed. Password never expires. Suppose I am creating a tester. Suppose I am creating a tester. Test tester. When I will attach all in users in that domain. Password not match. Like this. how many users. Okay, like this, you can use tester, developer, dev team. If your account lock, if you use suppose a disable account or enable account, enable. Okay. PEM is not PEM converted, right? Privacy enhanced mail is the key, is the extension PEM converted to PEM2 dot PPK is conversion. Okay, like this it will be take time. Like this it will be treated. Okay. This is and we can use the we can use the each team for user ID and their login purpose. We can change the password and all the things without the keys. That is the thing happen in the real time scenarios. Okay, tomorrow we'll come up with the security groups in AWS. Okay, kindly share this to your friends and all the things. Okay, we'll stop.